Cadet work on a mission to find glue to make slime. Okay, let's go. We have a surprise of what we're gonna do with this glue, and it's gonna be really fun. By the way, I got my best friend here. Her name's Izzy, and so yeah, let's go. Hi guys, we're back from Walmart. And we got the glue, we got the bucket, we got the baking soda, we got the contact solution, we got the color, we got everything. And we're gonna be making, we got clay, don't forget that, and we're gonna be making some slime. So first, we're gonna open up the bucket, and then we're gonna. Bye. We'll pick up. We have another one.
Oh, yeah, it's already opened.
Yeah, and now we're gonna just pour it in. Oh God. Ooh. God, everywhere.
It's a lot of glue. It's already a lot of slime.
Okay, so now we're gonna add the color.
Ow. Now to add our baking soda.
Okay. For the contact.
You have a contact solution over there. It's in front of the glue. Oh, what? Should we take off the spoons?
No. Okay, let's get started on pouring.
Is mine even coming out?
You have to open it.
I thought it was already open.
No, you have to.
Ooh. Oh.
Okay. Bye guys, we've been kneading it all up and it's still missing something. But
it's coming together. We can feel it. See, because we can play with it.
so
Told you this was a workout.
I'm gonna add some more contact solution. Excuse me.
I'll be the kneader and
Excuse
you'll
me,
be
it's Izzy's
the
hands.
adder.
Excuse me. Oh, I'm gonna
This-
move it.
Oh, look at that. This is gonna be some heavy slime. Go back fast. She's soaked.
Jump! It's very sticky. Okay, Isabel, you gotta move your hands. Isabel, you gotta move your hands. Isabel, you have to mix it in. Just
Hi! You just got that all from me. You're like, are you serious? Yeah. Just super sticky, but someone needs to add some baking soda.
I can't do that.
Me neither.
No, I can't do all this mess. No, I can't. I tasted it. Tastes pretty good.
Is that edible?
I'm scared. She was like,
You made the baking soda.
Yeah.
the slime in it? Did you think she meant the slime?
It probably would have been better to use the laundry detergent because you could do more.
Wait, adding that so I can like get it off my hands.
Oh, it's getting good.
Oh, okay, I should pick it up. Oh! Come on, come on. Oh my gosh, this is
It's working.
oh! Come on, come on. Oh my gosh, this is
It's working.
but we've gotta like
Need to
knead it
save this
all up.
video.
It's still kinda a little bit sticky.
Not for me.
You can like hear it. Okay.
If you send this to my mom, she'll be like, oh my gosh, that's my typical like Isabel.
Okay, there's still a little bit of wet. We need to knead it, not just play with it.
We're down. Your face.
That.
This is a workout. You should try this, Leah.
Thank you.
Leah, look at this.
Is it hard or is it soft or
It's soft and it's like it's just hard because I'm
So much of it.
so much of it. But it's like stretchy. Like you can stretch it.
I'm about to do slime swirl. See how big it is. Ooh. The struggle is real. Okay, I cannot do a slime swirl. It's too thick.
It's too hard.
So comment down below what is your favorite type of slime to make. Like and subscribe and share this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. God bless you and bye. It And now, I need a break. Cut. Stuff put in the glue. Let's go find that now in the slime.
Y'all have it right here.
This is gonna be one long video.
No, I'm gonna.
What is this?
It's a slime. It'll work.
Look, I got slime.